Hi guys! It's another Sunday, another day off na naman tayong muli. And for today's video, saan nga ba kami? Saan nga ba ako? I'm going to Sai Kung kasi may pupuntahan kaming stream doon. I've been in Sai Kung, Hong Kong for quite a few times, pero hindi ko pa talaga na-explore lahat kasi ang dami maaaring puntahan sa Sai Kung, like water sports, water experience, water activities, mga ganon. So, as of now, nasa bus ako. And it's gonna take for like 45 minutes travel to reach there. So, yeah. Also, it's great weather today kasi na-expect namin it's gonna be raining. It's raining entirely for an entire week. Ito, no? Hindi mo entire week. Last week din. Maulan. So we are grateful that we're experiencing good weather, I think. So I'm grateful kasi it's a very nice weather, as you can see.
And we're finally here sa Sai Kung, guys. But this is not the destination yet kasi I will walk 5 minutes from here to another bus terminus, which is for minibuses to reach the next destination para ma-reach namin yung waterfall. And as you can see naman, it's a very fine weather talaga. I wanna show you guys what is it look like to be in here in Sai Kung. Pero, konti lang, just light. Kasi, I cannot tour you around yet. Kasi nga, though may hinahabol din kaming oras. And then, I'm still waiting for my friends. So, I'm with my friends to go to this particular, to this stream, to this waterfall. So yeah, I'll let you have a peek muna, a little bit of Sai Kung. Sai Kung pa rin naman, but then it is most like the center. This is Sai Kung Pier. And as you can see, ang dami namang tourists. There's a lot of tourists here. I think they're doing sports activities as well. Kasi yan, since yan pier yan dyan, you can ride ferry there, boats there to reach to another island. Kasi ang Sai Kung is ang daming island, and then ang daming magagandang beaches dito, guys. So yeah. May oras pa ako kasi hindi pa nadating yung mga kasama ko. I think I need to grab a bite muna either in Starbucks or in McDonald's kasi nagugutom na ako, guys. So I decided to order via the McDonald's mobile app kasi feeling ko parang mas madali. And I don't wanna queue kasi nga may dala ako and nahihirapan ako pag ganyan. Alam niyo naman, tamad din. So we'll just order maybe something. Let's see. Dumating na yung mga kaibigan ko. So, I didn't know na yung harap lang pala ng McDonald's yung hindi siya bus terminus, parang bus stop siya para sa next destination namin. Yep. Aga uminom ni ate ng summer spray. And then there's Lilay and there's Ate Chona. So currently waiting na kami sa bus, and then next is to Sai Wan Village. Tama ba, te? Sai Wan Village, and then after Sai Wan Village, we're gonna reach to Sai Wan Beach, and doon kami kakain for our lunch. And then next is yung stream na, but it's gonna be like a little hike, more than 1 or 2, but it's an easy hike probably. So yeah, bus na, guys, shuttle na. Hi, I'm live! We've reached the destination and we're heading to Sai Wan Village na rin. This is the entrance. It's kind of creepy, but I like the ambience. Hi guys! As of now, naglalakad pa rin to reach Sai Wan Village. Kasi yung ano namin, binabaan ng shuttle bus namin, yung shuttle is from Sai Wan Pavillion lang yun. So may entrance talaga siya going to Sai Wan Village. And I don't know how much time we need to walk until we reach Sai Wan Village. So, pagkatapos namin dito, if we reach Sai Wan Village, nandun na rin yung Sai Wan Beach. And then, yan yung trail, yan yung daanan. Very convenient. Kahit siguro maglakad ka na ikaw lang, feeling ko kaya mo kasi safe siya. Safe siya kasi aside from that, very accurate yung trail. I wanna show you something, guys. This is my view along the way. So visible na siya kasi kanina hindi siya masyadong visible. So I will show you. This is what they call Sai Kung Reservoir or Dam. So if I'm not mistaken, this is around Sai Kung pa rin naman. We still need to walk like around 45 minutes more. Sobrang pawis na. Pero nakakamisan talaga since from the start sa until to the until here sa almost there na sa village. Sementado talaga siya, guys. Kaya ito yung gusto ko eh. Yung kahit remote na, grabe, sementado talaga siya. This is finally the village. Yan. May sign na siya, may karatula na siya. Sai Wan Village. Ang tahimik. Napaka-nice ng ambience. As you can see, guys, yeah. May mga tents sila dito. Siguro this is their way. Ito yung mga tourists. I think this is also a restaurant. May store dito, parang mini-mart. And ito na yung village, guys. This is the entrance. And I'm gonna show you more later. I think hindi naman siya ganong kalakihan. But it's a very yung vibe dito, wow. They also have this. Yung parang sa mga nakikita natin K-drama na parang tawag nito, yung sa Jeju Island. It's kind of like giving a Jeju Island vibe. So sa mahilig mag K-drama dyan, I think alam nyo na yung ibig kong sabihin. I think this is the entire village already. Konti lang yung tao. And I don't know, maybe people just want to stay here because that is their retirement. There's another side of the beach. Aside from that, yun. And then, yung dito sa part na to, meron din. So, we decided to have a stopover saglit and mesmerize the beauty of the sea. Look at the view. Ang ganda, guys. Grabe, worth it yung lakad.
Good.
Hi! Ay, karot lang. So, yep. Giving yung view. Worth it yung lakad. Pero hindi pa dito, guys.
Hindi pa to.
Hindi pa to nagtatapos.
Ikot.
So far, hindi pa talaga to yung destination namin. And along the way, may beach. May beach siya. This is called the Sai Wan Beach. May restaurant doon. I just like the idea na after mong maglakad ng pagkahaba-haba, may makakainan ka. Like, may kainan. So yeah, dito kami kakain. And after that, we're heading to the stream. Ganda ng view. So, hindi pwedeng walang rice. Kahit kami. May rice daw kami dala. Walang diet. So, we have bread. We also have some chips.
We have cold.
We have some, kanin and ulam. And of course, my favorite one, beer. And of course, we also have the BTS Oreo. What we got here is may talong kami na prito, adobong talong. We also have, ano ba to? Adobo sa asin. Adobo sa asin na parang piniritong, ano lang, piniritong baboy. So yeah. That's it. And for now, kakain muna kami. Finally, we're done having a lunch and then we're heading to the stream na. Pupunta na kami sa waterfall and it will take us for like at least 10 minutes. Estimated 10 minutes. But depende yan sa lakad namin. So yeah, let's go! So we're leaving Sai Wan Beach and now papunta na on the way na sa waterfalls. So ang tubig na to kailangan naming sundan to reach the stream. Mainit lang, sobrang init. Kailangan natin dahan-dahanin to kasi baka madulas yung mga bato. Wow, I think nakikita ko na yung stream. Ang challenging naman. And guys, may mga nakikita na kaming tao doon naliligo. I think this is the one they're talking about. At this point guys, nagpaan na ako kasi baka madulas ako. Mahirap. Yep, this is the waterfall that we're heading. Dito pa lang, parang gusto ko nang maligo. And guys, finally, andito na rin ako. Andito na rin kami sa destination namin. The main destination is this Sai Wan Water Fall. Easy, is it? The water is so inviting, it's very cold and I want to try na kasi ang haba ba namin ng lakad namin at saka ang init ng panahon. Of course, I wanna jump in. Current situation! Ano ang ginagawa namin here sa pool? Ayan na. Yan, hindi kayo makita kasi pinafollow ako. Naka-sensor yung follow niya. But anyways, we've done a lot. Tapos, ang dami namin ginawa na hindi nakuha sa cam kasi nga, since it's not an action camera, hindi ko siya dinala kasi I don't wanna risk my Osmo. And then, yeah, tumalon, naglangoy, nag-picture taking, and later on, it's around 2. I think it's around 2. By 2:30 p.m., alis na kami, we're going back home. I think sulit naman yung pinuntahan namin, so yeah. I think we are going back na kasi medyo madilim na. Biglang sumama yung panahon. So we decided to go back home na. We don't want na maulanan pa on the way kasi may lalakarin pa kami papunta na uli sa Sai Wan Pavillion. So bye-bye Sai Wan Stream, Waterfall. I had so much fun and I hope everybody is safe kasi mabato talaga. Since this is a rock pool, yeah, mabato talaga siya. So, yep. As of 3 p.m. after a 1-hour walk galing sa waterfalls, we're still walking pa rin sa path papuntang Sai Wan Pavillion. We finally reached the Sai Wan Pavillion. And as of now, ano bang oras? Anong oras na ba?
Hala, may helicopter.
Ang oras is 3:41. So the next, yung shuttle na aantayin namin to bring us back sa terminus, sa bus terminus sa Sai Kung is around 4:45. So it's like more than an hour pa yung antayin namin. But it's okay kasi rather than we're still walking and we're like anuhin namin yung bus maghabol ng oras. So mas maganda na rin. So dito namin antayin yung shuttle. And finally, we're back sa Sai Kung. And this is the last stop para magsiuwian na kami sa kanya-kanya naming destination pauwi ng bahay namin. Yan. Say hi, everyone! How's Sai Wan stream? How's Sai Wan? So, and that's it for today, guys. Kasi muna kami dito sa McDonald's and we're gonna have some ice cream muna bago kami uuwi na talaga. Kasi sa init ng panahon kanina, we are craving something na malamig. And yep, so that's it. And thank you for joining us. Bye-bye!